Kidneys can heal. Your immune system can heal. You just got to take care of it in the right way. All right, cool. All right, yes, be in touch. It's so good to see you, and good luck. You got this, okay?
Yeah, we'll do.
All right, bye-bye. So I just got off the phone with somebody who he's got an IgA nephropathy. So that means that he's got kidneys that are failing. It's been happening slowly over time, but it's been accelerated recently. And his doctors told him there's nothing he can do. They also told him that you can eat whatever you want. Doesn't matter if you eat a steak, nothing's going to make a difference for your kidneys. So first of all, that is not true. I mean, you can go on PubMed and find a study that showed that animal protein specifically damages kidneys, and people with kidney failure should be on a low protein diet, or in my consideration, it should be a no animal protein diet because it damages kidneys. So, he was not really, he was frustrated and upset, but he didn't know what else to think. And he decided to start looking around online and see what he could find. And he found me and he found my videos. And he said his first instinct was to be skeptical because I'm going to nephrologists who tell me diet has nothing to do with this. So I'm skeptical, but I'm going to go to the classes. Why wouldn't I at least learn? Which, good, be skeptical, but learn anyway, right? He went to my classes, and let me look at my notes here, and he just started adding the smoothies and taking out animal products. So he went 100% plant-based, and he started adding my smoothies to his diet, and that happened 4 weeks ago, and his creatinine has gone from 313 down to 227. And his GFR, which is an estimation of how quickly his kidneys can filter, so it's a way we measure kidney function, it went from 21 to 31. And he is so excited. He can't believe it. His kidneys are healing. So he made this appointment with me today to take it to the next level. And that's what we did. We just went through everything he's doing, and I taught him how to optimize his plan to get even faster results so we can see how much kidney can we get back. I don't know how much that is because he's been sick for 15 years. So it might be that some of his kidneys scarred over, but the fact that they're recovering this quickly already is a really good sign that they've just been waiting for him to feed them correctly. So I just published a case series in the International Journal of Disease Reversal and Prevention, a case series looking at reversing kidney failure. That was in lupus nephritis, but it also works for IgA nephropathy. I have a client that I'm seeing right now whose eGFR, her filtration rate, has gone from 60 to 90 just in the past couple months. That's awesome. I mean, she basically has full kidney function left. So if you have kidney failure or you know someone who does, you've got to feed them well. Animal protein directly damages the kidney. Make sure you get off that right away. Start nourishing yourself. Go to smoothieshred.com, see our smoothie recipes. They're free, and you can start getting your health back. And if you're really struggling, I mean, if you've got really low kidney function, 30% or less, then I strongly recommend you make an appointment with me or you join my next rapid recovery group, because you don't want to make a mistake when you are on the brink of needing a kidney transplant, right? There's no room to mess around. I really warn people against that because, as much as I try to teach people for free, when you've got very little kidney function left, you got to get it right. So my next rapid recovery group is starting June 8th, and it's already started to fill up. So for those of you who are upset that you missed the one that just started, make sure you don't miss that one and fill it in. If you need an appointment with me to just fix your plan and make sure it's right, you can go to goodbyelupus.com. You can make an appointment with me. I'm here for you. This is what I do every day. Kidneys can heal. Your immune system can heal. You just got to take care of it in the right way. I am super excited for him because he is not going to get a transplant. He's going to get his health back, and he's already on his way. I'm so excited for him, and I hope you're excited too.